Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, there are so many ways to make glazed ham. Today, I'm going to show you guys the most easy yet delicious pineapple glazed ham recipe. Absolutely so delicious, literally mouth-watering. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and let's dive in. To begin, we are going to start by making the honey pineapple glaze. This is going to be the most easiest recipe, like I said, because I know you have other food to prep for Thanksgiving. Before we begin, make sure you preheat your oven on 325, not 350, 325. I'm going to start by adding 1 stick of unsalted butter in here. Once that is nice and melted, I am going in with my brown sugar. Give that a stir just like this. I'm going in with 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm using the canned pineapple juice. Pour that in. Next, I'm going in with 1 cup of pure honey. Give that a nice mix. Now to season, we want this to be nice and flavorful. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Can't skip that, okay? It's gonna make it very, very delicious. Also for my seasoning, I have a few seasoning in here. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper to balance the sweetness. You don't have to use it. I'm using cloves, nutmeg, allspice, and some cinnamon, okay? Pour that in just like this. We are going to add about ½ tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we're just gonna let that simmer. And also I have 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Not too much, just a little bit, it's fine. You guys, my glaze is nice and velvety, as you can see, and it smells amazing. It tastes absolutely mouth-watering. So it's time for me to turn it off so we can start glazing the ham. All right, guys, this is my ham. It is 9 pounds. I am going to remove it from the package. I won't use this, okay? We don't need it at all, trust me. The glaze we just made is the most delicious glaze ever. All right, guys, I'm going to place some pineapples at the bottom of my baking dish. So when I baste it, all that flavor is going to infuse into my ham. If you like, you can put it in between, but I'm not going to do that. So yeah, just place it at the bottom for now. And now I'm going to grab that beautiful, delicious glaze and just pour it all over the ham. It smells absolutely delicious, okay? You cannot go wrong with this glaze. If you like to make it with orange, just swap the juice for orange. But I love me a good pineapple glaze, so that's why we are using pineapple today. And if you want to add some bourbon to this, you can also add some rum, you know. Smells delicious. Make sure you get in between every slice, and every 30 minutes I am going to baste it. It's very, very important to glaze your ham. All that flavor is going to just infuse in there and make it nice and flavorful. And that keeps it moist as well. It's not gonna be super, super dry. Just gonna pour that all over. I'm going to add a little bit of paprika for color. It's all about that presentation. So a little bit of paprika for color and a little bit of brown sugar. This will caramelize on top of your glazed ham. You can add it in between as well if you're feeling fancy. And we're going to bake this on 325 for about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. When it's done, it's going to be so amazingly delicious. But do not forget to baste it every 30 minutes, all right? Perfect. And now we're going to cover it. And bake this. This is the easiest ham recipe, like I said. Don't have to do too much. Now let's bake it. Now I'm going to baste it every 30 minutes, but at the same time, when we get to that last 30 minutes of the cooking time, you want to remove your foil so you can turn on your broiler so it can start broiling to give you that beautiful golden brown color. I am so excited to show you guys this. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Just how we want it. Nice and crispy on the outside, juicy and delicious on the inside. Take a good look, you guys. Look at this masterpiece. Golden, juicy, and absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait. Let me try it. Oh my God. My favorite part is this crispy part right here. When they have that little crispiness to it. Oh, so good, so good, so good. This is absolutely delicious, okay? Your guests will definitely be wowed by this honey glazed pineapple ham. It's so good. You gotta try it. If you try it, please do not forget to come back and let me know what you think in the comment, how it turns out for you. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.